what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi to each and every one of you guys watching. What's up guys, my name is Diana. If you're new to my channel, what up, go ahead and subscribe please if you guys are not yet, and welcome. My name is Diana, like I said. So today we're going to be doing a tutorial on the Jaclyn Hill palette, volume 2 palette. I will be doing tutorials and posting them up. If you guys are interested, please give me a like if you guys like the idea of what I want to do, just because these are my favorite type of eyeshadow colors. I love going in through these type. This is the type of colors that I really gravitate to all the time, so I had to give me this palette. Today I did go with purples today and pinks, a little bit of purple and pink. The other look was more pink. This is the second tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it. And then the first tutorial I will be adding it on the first. Yeah, the first tutorial is going to be the one with the pink, and then the second one is going to be this one. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I will add the clips now, guys. this is what the eyes look like. I'm gonna still kind of blend it on the top once I do my makeup. I'm gonna do my foundation and everything else off camera and I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab this brush and I'm just gonna start by applying. Alright guys, so I am done with the eyeshadow look. This is what it looks like. I am so shook. Like, I really like the look. I love the way how it came out. I did have a change of plans on the eyeshadow, on the crease cutting and the eyeshadow in the middle, so I did change that. You are going to be able to see that in the video that I did change it. So this is the look I did for this makeup look, and I did use the purples, the pinks, and you get a lot of fallout, so make sure you clean this because it will stain the shot. Oh, out of your palette. Oh no, I just flicked my lip on the black eyeshadow. Alright, so this is what the palette looks like. I did go in the purples. I went with this family right here, this family here, basically this one, this one, this one, and then I used this one for the lid, and then I kind of deepened it with the black. So basically it was a really pretty nice palette. I love working with the palette. This is the second look that I did for this tutorial, so I will be doing more tutorials. I would say I'm going to be doing more tutorials on my channel with the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. So if you are interested in that, let me know down below. Again, I know I did say that earlier, but yeah, the colors are pretty fucking amazing. I love them, and this is what they look like. So I hope you guys like this look, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next